Hello our dear customers, today I will show you how to use the air humidifier. At first, let's see what we've got. It's user manual, remote control, power code according to your country, and measuring cup. Open our lid. At the bottom we can see some protective surface and charging input. So at first plug in and power on the device. You can choose the power code according to your country. We add some water and you can add 2 or 4 drops of essential oil in it if you want. It's all up to you. Cover our lid and can use it. Press this button, you can set some time for 1 hour or 3 or 6 hours. Press the second button, you turn on the device and you can set some light. Colors will change automatically. Let's see how it works. If you press this button the second time, you can adjust some brightness. For example, like this. Dim or bright color. And the third time, it's to set a certain light on. So let's see how it works inside. Let's open our lid. We can see a big mist. You can use remote control to choose the different function, set on the light or time, turn on, turn off the device. You can use it at the distance of 6 meters. If you have some problems with our device, you can contact us and we will help you to solve all your problems.